In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your YouTube channel link in Facebook. So first of all, open up your YouTube application. On your YouTube application, you very simply have to tap on your profile icon, which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on your profile, you have to tap on the view channel option, which is present right beside your username. Now on your channel, you have to tap on the three dots which are present at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on share and tap on copy link. By doing this, you will be able to easily copy your YouTube channel link from YouTube. So now you have to open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, you have to make sure that you're logged in to your Facebook page. Now on your Facebook page, you very simply have to tap on your profile icon, which is present at the top left side of your screen. Now on your profile, you have to tap on the three dots, which are present right beside advertise. In advertise, you have to tap on add action button. So now from here, you have to tap on edit buttons. In editing buttons, you have to scroll down and select what kind of button in which you want your YouTube channel link. So for example, I will simply select the watch now button as it is the most relevant one over here. Now you have to paste your YouTube channel link. So I will simply tap, then hold on to my screen until this menu appears, then tap on paste. By doing this, I will be able to easily add my YouTube channel link on my Facebook page. So once you're done, you have to tap on save. Once you tap on save, as you can see, I have now easily added my YouTube channel link to my Facebook page. So now on my page, let's simply tap on the three dots once again, which are present right beside advertise. Now tap on view as to view your profile as a spectator or someone who's visiting your profile. So now as you can see, the watch now button is now present on my Facebook page, which is the link of my YouTube channel. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.